Thank you very much. We thank God as Apostolic Church. We believe in prophecy. And because God is a living God, a living being must be able to speak, must be able to hear, must be able to move, must be able to interact and relate. And because God is of that nature, God spoke in the church at that time, precisely on 8th of May, 1944, through our then leading prophet, late Pastor E.O. Onabajo. God spoke at that time, and by prophetic declaration, by prophetic revelation, he caused that May offering to be celebrated annually, and peculiarly for Ebute-Metta, not for any other area at that time, not for any other district. Because when the Ark of the Covenant was made by God, promoted to be made for the children of Israel to show the presence of God among them, no other person, no other institution, no other nation was to make a resemblance of it. So this is a peculiar institution ordained by prophecy and through the voice of the Lord, and to be celebrated every year. And we thank God this year we are witnessing 79th of its kind. I was not privileged to be there at the time, but there were records about the time, and the prophecy of that day is still alive to guide us to know the details of what actually transpired during that particular occasion. And usually in each year, to keep it afresh every year, we often produce that prophecy so that the coming generation, there is no mistake about its establishment, its operation, the way it should be done, so that you can follow it, the pattern, so that the pattern will continue until Jesus comes again. So that prophecy guides us, the operation. Now, how there should be a preparatory week for it, because we are given to the Lord, and God is a holy God. Anything to be given to Him must be holy, however big, however small. God is demanding from His people and is demanding from holy people. Therefore, preparations must be made. Preparation of the saints who are coming to meet the Lord, preparation of the environment, preparation even to give. Because life demands preparation. Anything we are going to do in life that is going to be of essence needs preparation for it. If a child is to be born, you don't know the date the child will be born, but we prepare ahead of the time. Marriage is to be done. We don't do marriage suddenly. You prepare for it. Even though we don't prepare for death, but we must prepare for death. Anything that is of vital importance in life needs preparation for its soul. God demands that His people should be sanctified, not just bringing anyhow to Him. God is holy, and anything to be brought to Him must be holy. People to approach unto Him must be holy. Anything approaching unto Him, He doesn't compromise His holy standard. He's a holy God, and He remains forever. So a week is to be dedicated to preparing the heart of people even to give. What to give. get the people prepared. Because when the children of Israel were to approach even Mount Sinai, where the Lord would descend to give them the commandment, they were to sanctify themselves, prepare themselves ahead. This preparatory week is very, very important as the week of its celebration also, and that was the establishment.